crummy BMW connectors, for your lights. So this for E39, and we're just going to show how you can repair essentially the rust that accumulates on one of these. It's going to make it where you won't have a proper connection, and that's going to lead you to having light issues. And what I've seen is, for instance, here, the previous owners literally solder the wires, and that's just tacky. There's a much easier way than literally crimping off everything and soldering everything back. And I'm going to show you a special tool. It's nothing that elaborate. It's literally just a nail file. So you can see I cut off the tip, so it allows me to get in there to file away at the rust or any degradation. I don't have to start soldering here and there and just making essentially tacky wire connections. Do the job right. And then when you make that proper connection, instead of trying to have this, what would really alleviate this is having the proper dielectric grease, okay? I don't know why BMW didn't want to do that, but I went ahead and got me a nice clean one, and I placed it in there. What I've been doing was using my multimeter right here and seeing that I have a proper connection all the way from the wiring all the way to here where it touches the light bulbs. So just going over, literally very simple. Let me get my little lamp on so you guys can see. Don't mind the mess. This is just I want to get this car where it's safe on the road, and that means all lights, brakes, and everything works. So what we're doing here, let me see if I could get a better, won't be able to see too well, but what we're doing here, we're just going to get this file, and we're just filing away to make sure we get a proper connection. And I've already done this, and 3 of the connections were not working with the multimeter. It showed no connection. I went ahead and did this, and you can see where it got a lot of debris off, and I have proper connection now. No tacky soldering, no trying to, sure, BMW messes up a lot when it comes to plastics and rust and everything else, but this is something that you can do with a nice, simple tool as a nail filer.